You won't make it. You won't succeed unless you're on your own. But those people forget the heroes standing behind them. The brave fighters and peacemakers who make life what it is. These people who, no matter what is wrong and what they're doing, support you every step of the way. They are your sunshine, your hope, your light. They'll share your pain no matter how rough it may be or how much you've hurt. They will listen to your problems and give you advice when you can find it in your own heart. They are here for you. They would even die for you. And that's how important friendship is.
Thank you very much, Mark. And now, it's Jericho Pisho. Let's give him a round of applause.
Nalipat si Kuya.